Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over me changing the bulb in a Jaguar XF. So this is me obviously opening the door to the Jag, opening the bonnet, as you can see. Sorry about the camera angles and how blurry it is, but I was trying to do it one-handed and trying to open and unhook it. So now that I've opened the bonnet, I've noticed the near side headlight that's out. So we'll just surveying the situation, seeing how easy the headlight looks like to come out. It's not too bad, to be fair. It was awkward, as you'll see in the video, but it's not too bad. There's just me showing it, and there's me undoing the old bolts and screws. They were two separate sizes, which made it awkward as anything to get it, and one of the clips decided to break on me, which is never fun. So obviously I'm just making sure I haven't missed any of the bolts or screws or anything, because I can imagine myself missing one, so that's never going to be fun. So there's me just double checking things, going back to get all the bolts and stuff unscrewed, hoping that it's not going to be too difficult. Obviously I've got the headlight loose a little bit there, so just making sure that when I'm unscrewing these bolts they are making the headlight looser. And there is one bolt underneath where the wheel arch is. There's a little gap and a little hole where you can get to a bolt. I think it's about a 10mm bolt. You just get in there and you can unscrew it, and that will release the headlight from the back. Obviously ignore these camera angles, some of them are atrocious, and I don't know why you needed a video of my butt as I was sitting down, but this is the angles that I sometimes wind up getting because I roped my woman into it. So she does need to work on her camera angles, like a full-on view, So I apologise. Obviously, there's me dropping my 8mm or 10mm socket there, which is never a good thing, but that's what happened. My camera lady thankfully has better eyes than me and picked it up. Otherwise, I would have been written around for ages trying to find that, and I would have probably made a scene. I'd probably been more dramatic than a Shakespeare play. Tempest ain't got nothing on me, boys. As you can see, that's the hole where that bolt is underneath, and how awkward it is to get to. So yeah, we unscrewed that, so it just released the headlight. Obviously you can see my camera lady getting very bored and just going for a wander. Yep, it's a full-on wander, as you can see. See where she goes. She's off around my grandparents' garage. Oh, there's my puppy. That's my puppy Sandy. She is adorable. Again, oh, okay, yeah, she's videoing her wandering around, coming to see what I'm up to. She is an adorable butter bean. There she is, making a scene. And there's me still struggling with the bolt, as you can see. Basically struggling with the bolt, struggling with life. But we must march forward. I'm finally getting somewhere on doing the bolt, but as you can see, I'm probably making this very painful for you. So, one of them things. And obviously that bolt fell down the side of the arch a little bit. It didn't fall fully down, so I could easily get it, but it made it super awkward, if I'm honest with you. And here comes my puppy again, wandering around to see how I'm getting on. Obviously, she's getting very bored of me being there, but also looking very adorable. Still staring at me, struggling with this bulb. Well, headlight. Very much struggling with the headlight. I think I'm getting somewhere now, though, to be fair. Struggling, still struggling. Obviously, this is raw, uncut footage. And there's my puppy coming to check on me, running away, which is probably the safest bet. But yes, obviously I'm struggling, and that is her just videoing me and my unimpressed face. That's horrendous. That's a horrendous photo. Well, video. That's atrocious. But anyway, skip forward a bit here. We got the headlight out. We're going through it. Telling her to give me the light because she was faffing around. When I say faffing around, it was full on faffing around. Yeah, we got the bulb cover off. Now we just got to disconnect the connector from the bulb. Obviously, it's getting there. There's just me putting the headlight back. At this point, I've replaced the bulb. You'll see in the next bits coming up that how fiddly it was. It's just me faffing around trying to put the light back into place, get all the bolts together and organise it all, and then put it all together, and just realising that the plastic part of the headlight is broken off a little bit, so we might just have to plastic weld that to get it together. For now, we've just put it underneath there and sort of clamped it down, so it'll hold it a little bit. Probably not a lot, but it'll hold it enough to go from there, so that'll be fine. And then yeah, there's the camera lady just giving me some light on the situation. Well, trying to. It's yeah, as you can see, me obviously trying to put the wrong bolt in the wrong hole. It's not the first time. It won't be the last time. There's me just trying to use a screwdriver to jimmy the hole up a bit more. Full on faffing. But yeah, it's getting there. It's just going back now into it. Obviously my dog will make random appearances in this video, as you've just seen her bobbing her head up just then. She is adorable. But you can tell she's getting very bored of me being there and doing something that doesn't involve her. Very bored. If you want to see more of Sandy in the videos, let me know and I'll try and involve her a bit more. I don't think she'll be that impressed to be involved more, but hopefully she will listen to my commands and be in more of the videos. If you guys want to see it, let me know. Because who doesn't like a puppy? Let's be fair. So it's all back together now. As you can see, that was how fiddly the bulb was. I had to get two screwdrivers in there to jimmy it open, or jimmy it off the thing. As you can see, the new bulb's back in there. We just plopped it in, and it seems to have made it all light up again like it should do. So yeah, that was me just changing the bulb in the Jaguar XF. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and remember, I know it looked horrendously me doing it, but remember, if cabbage can, you can too. Thanks for watching.